Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa mbukeli sigwethulela zona bukhoma egomkhulu le-SABC e-Auckland Park eGoli nazi ezinohlonze kusihlwa nje. Inkulungwane zamaRoma akatholika zithole ithuba lokubona isidumbu sika Pope Francis okugcina namhlanje eVatican City eRome njengoba kuleli bekubanjwe inkonzo yokukhumbula lomholi waleli ibandla odlule emhlabeni ngomsombuluko.
Luthuli was one of our greatest leaders that the ANC has ever seen.
Umdidiyeli we-ANC KwaZulu-Natal uJeff Radebe uqhubekile nokwethula ubufakazi namhlanje enkantolo ephakeme yaseMgungundlovu esigcawini esiphenya ngokushona kalowa bewumengameli we-ANC inkosi uAlbert Luthuli eyakhothama ngonyaka u-1967.
While we're waiting for the experts, but from a lay person's observation is that there is no direct linkage.
Iphini likangqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela Joe Phaahla uthi akukho ukuxhumanisa ukuqubuka komlilo kwanamhlanje esibhedlela saseThembisa kanye nomlilo owaqubuka kuso lesi sibhedlela ngomgqibelo. Mbukelisi kubingelele sikwemukile indaba enza kusihlwa igama lami noxolo uMamtshali wakwaMwali sithobeka kakhulu ukuthi uhlanganyele kanye nathi namhlanje kusihlwa. Amabandla amaningi emhlabeni wonke abambe inkonzo yokuhlonipha uPapa uFrancis obengumholi webandla lamaRoma akatholika odlule emhlabeni ngomsombuluko ngemva kokuxinwa ukugula. uPapa uFrancis ulokhu etuswe njalo ngokukhathalela abantu layo. Umbukeli ke sizobuye sibuyele kulolu daba. Kusenjalo uPapa uFrancis uchazwe njengomuntu obeyibophezele ekutheni kube nokuthula kanye nobulungiswa enkonzweni ebibanjelwe eGoli.
Amakholwa nezicukuthwane zebandla lamaRoma akatholika eGoli adele amakhaza ashobisa umkantsha ukuzoba yingxenye yemisa lokuhlonipha impilo kaPapa uFrancis ongasekho.
He chose Saint Francis, the 12th century saint, who is renowned for his life of poverty, his concern for the sick and the poor, and his sense of communion with creation, with the entire universe.
Amakholwa atuse uPapa ngeqhaza belibambile ebandleni lamaRoma akatholika.
Death is something that is terrible and we are not used to it. But at the same time, we are happy that Pope has now rested.
There was this law that no one is supposed to enter to receive communion if, like from marriage, if a result of divorce, if a result of a reject from a marriage is, you can come to church and enter. But he came in the Catholic Church and he was like, okay, it's fine, all of you are forgiven, come to Jesus and continue. And also the issue of LGBT as well.
Manje ke wonke amehlo asethe nje ukubona ukuthi ubani umholi webandla lamaRoma olandelayo.
Whether the Pope is from the north or the south or the east or the west, the Church will welcome that Pope.
uPapa uFrancis ucele ukufihlwa eSt Mary's Major Basilica esikhundleni sokungcwatshwa eSt Peter's Basilica enkabeni yenhlokodolobha iRome njengoba kujwayelekile.
Owake waba ngumengameli we-ANC waphinde wahlonishwa ngeNobel Peace Prize inkosi uAlbert Luthuli uchazwe njengomholi owayengahlehlele emuva kwaze kwabuya khothama ngo-1967. Lokhu kudalwe umdidiyeli we-ANC KwaZulu-Natal uJeff Radebe obeqhubeka nobufakazi esigcawini esiphenya kabusha ngokukhothama kwenkosi Luthuli okwabikwa ukuthi yashayiswa yiguzu eGroundville kwaDukuza eminyakeni engama-57 edlule.
Utshela inkantolo ngobunzima inkosi Luthuli ayibhekene nabo ngaphambi kokuthi abulawe. Uthi phezulu kwemizamo yonke yokumcindezela eyenziwa uhulumeni wobandlululo, inkosi uButhuli wayiqinile walwa kwaze kwaba sekugcineni. Uthi inhloso enkulu yokubulawa kwenkosi Luthuli kwakunqinda amandla omkhonto wesizwe. Kodwa ke uthi ukubulawa kwakhe kwaba nomphumela ohlukile njengoba kwenza umbutho wakhe walwa kwakhulu. uthi inkosi uLuthuli umqoka kakhulu njengoba ngomunye wabaholi abaphendla indlela belungiselela abanye abaholi abafana nalowo oyengumongameli wakuleli umnumzana Nelson Mandela.
To the intention of the assassination of Chief Albert Luthuli to demoralize the spirit of Umkhonto weSizwe, the opposite happened. It really motivated them to fight as they did very heroically.
Izosifakazi wayo wesikhombisa umnumzana uThulani Thusi ofundisa ngefagugu eLuthuli Museum. Umnumzana Thusi nguye wasiza abaphenyi ukuze kuzanywe ukulandela la ahamba khona inkosi uLuthuli ngelanga abulawa ngalo.
Able to point out the bus stop and the direction of Nontlevu General Dealer from the bus stop on R102 Main Road. After spending about 10 minutes at the bus stop, we then proceed to drive towards the Gledo sugar mill using the sugar mill road from R102.
Umnumzane Umthunzi Luthuli ongumzukulu wenkosi uLuthuli kwezindaba ze-SABC ngu-Ayanda Mhlongo Mgongondlovu.
Iphini likaNgqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela uJoe Phaahla uthi akukho ukuxhumanisa ukuqubuka komlilo kwanamhlanje kuseni esibhedlela saseThembisa kanye nomlilo owaqubuka kuso lesi sibhedlela ngomgqibelo ubeyohlola umonakalo odalwe umlilo kuso lesi sibhedlela.
Ngemuva komlilo owaqubuka ngomgqibelo kwabe sekuhoxiswa ukusebenza kophiko lwalesibhedlela ukubhekela izimo eziphuthumayo kanti namanje iziguli zidluliselwa kwezinye izikhungo zezempilo. Umlilo oqubuke namhlanje awuzange uphazamise ukusebenza kwalesibhedlela. uDokotela uPhaahla uthi akukho okuxhumanisana nalezi gamiko zombili.
At least while we're waiting for the experts, but from a lay person's observation is that there is no direct linkage. So whatever the forensics will find in terms of what triggered the fire here, we are of the view that unless otherwise proven otherwise, what is quite apparent is that something else happened.
uPhaahla unxusa izakhamuzi zalapha ukuba zibekezelelane nomnyango ngalesikhathi esinzima.
So from our side, from the health sector, from the health department, we want to just appeal for calmness in these very difficult times, especially for the people of Tembisa who are using this facility. We've already mentioned that we're doing everything possible to make sure that patients are safe, but also that those who still need services, those who are in the wards are safe. There is no threat at this stage. They are receiving all the care.
uPhaahla uthi akekho umuntu olimele kulesigameko.
Eyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela udaba oluthi
the application for a discharge for Mr. Van Ryn and Ms. Smith is refused.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kwenziwe izethulo zokugcina ecaleni lokuthunjwa kaJocelyn Smith enkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape ngesonto elizayo. Siphinde ke sikwamukele mbukeli siphinde sikubingelele mangabeke usanda kungena. Asikukhumbuze ke mbukeli ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku YouTube na ku SABC Plus. Ungena nje kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani ke uzoyithola ngomnjalo bazo. Kanti ke mbukeli masibuyela nje odabeni esithela hamba phambili amabandla amaningi emhlabeni wonke abambe inkonzo yokuhlonipha uPapa Francis obengumholi webandla lamaRoma akatholika odlule emhlabeni ngomsombuluko ngemva kokuqinwa ukugula. uPapa Francis lokhu etuswe njalo nje ngokukhathalela abantulayo.
Bekunomunye ngesikhathi amakholwa ethola ithuba lokubona isidumbu sika Papa uFrancis eSt Peter's Basilica. Leli ithuba lokugcina lokuvalelisa lo bengumholi webandla lamaRoma Katolika ngaphambi kokuba abekwe endlini yakhe yokugcina kulempela sonto. Lapha ekhaya ibandla lamaRoma eGoli Cathedral of Christ the King libe nenkonzo yesikhumbuzo ukuze lihloniphe ukugcina uPapa uFrancis kanti amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe abe ingxenye yalenkonzo.
His Holiness Pope Francis was the friend of the Global South and is what we call a leader with a revolutionary spiritual enforcement.
The legacy of Pope Francis was to ensure that the excluded are included. He lived by the mantra that and that is of critical importance, obviously, to ensure that the faithful across the world find themselves adequately represented, where decisions are taken about their lives, about their religious outlook and about their sense of beliefs.
Owayengumengameli wakuleli uThabo Mbeki uncoma uPapa ongasekho wamchaza njengomholi owama kanye neNingizimu Afrika. Ngo-2014 uFrancis wayenomlayezo obhekiswe entsheni yakuleli.
Usihlalo we-ANC eNorthern Cape uDokotela uZamani Sol uphinde wakhethwa ngo-elethu kulesi sikhundla. uSol uthembise ukukhulisa umnotho wakulesi sifundazwe nokudala amathuba omsebenzi.
In 2020, the gross domestic product of the province was 117 billion. Our GDP now, as projected, is standing at 151 billion rand. 36 billion rand increase in the gross domestic product of the province. That came with about 100,000 new jobs that have been created. So the economic growth in the province, its growth is also brought about job opportunities. It's not a jobless growth. That's what we've experienced over the past 4 years. One of the main driving factors for that growth is renewable energy. The country as a whole, over the past 6 years, we've got about 220 billion rand investment in renewable energy. Here in the Northern Cape, it's about 80 billion rand.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kwenziwe izethulo zokugcina icaleni lokuthunjwa kaJocelyn Smith enkantolo ephakeme yaseWestern Cape ngesonto elizayo. Bonke abasolwa abakhethe ukufakazi kuleli cala noma ukuyibizela ababo ofakazi.
Amagqwetha wesithathu athi abatyholwa baza kusebenzisa ilungelo labo lokutyatyuma, nto leyo ethi abazukuqabela emkhumbini ukuze bapheke besophulwa ngemibuzo malunga nelityala.
Mr. Paulus will make use of his right to remain silent in terms of the Constitution, Section 35(3)(h), which guarantees every accused person the right to a fair trial, which includes the right to be presumed innocent, the right to remain silent, and the right not to testify during proceedings.
Ebutsheni bemini ziphanzile izicelo zikaStefano van Ryn noKelly Smith zokuba achithwe amatyala ngakubo.
With regard to the offence of human trafficking, there was only one witness, Laurentia Lombard, who could testify in that regard. Her evidence, I submit that it was of such a poor quality that it should be rejected in its entirety by this court.
Kodwa umbuso awuboni njalo.
Even if there are unreliable aspects in her testimony, the golden thread is still there. My Lord, and I submit with respect that there's other evidence that corroborates her version.
Ingqina eliphambili lombuso nelalifudulwa lingumtyholwa uLaurentia Lombard waveza ukuba uKelly Smith wamchazela ukuba umntwana uthengiselwe ixhwele ngemali engama-20,000 erandi. Ityala lithe xhade kube ngulesibini weveki ezayo. Kwiindaba ze-SABC ndingusiphiwe Wabasi eSaldanha Bay.
Umthelela ongemuhle wokungaphathi ngendlela efanele eSABC phakathi ka-2011 kuya ku-2019 ubeseqhulwini namhlanje phambi kwekomidi elibhekele ukusetshenziswa kwemali yabakhokhintela iSCOPA.
Oluphenya amacala akhethekile iSIU lutshele ikomidi lamalungu ePhalamende abhekele ukusetshenziswa kwemali yabakhokhintela iSCOPA ukuthi ungaphathwa ngendlela iSABC kwaba namthelela muni kwezemali kulenhlangano esakazela umphakathi.
2022 to 23-24 it looks like there was an improvement with 99 million, 35 million, 35 million irregular expenditure. And then there was a steep from 2021. That's really an indication that something went wrong. And 23-24, we are back to the billions of 2.8 billion.
Waphawula ngodaba likalowo wabeyisikhulu esibhekele ukusebenza kwansuku zonke SABC uHlawudi Motsoaneng noqhubeka nokuqiqa ezinkantolo.
It's right to challenge the findings that are adverse to him. But in the context of our litigation process, I am of the view that really is abusing a legal process. It really baffles me.
We certainly got a picture of serious dysfunction and governance failures. I understand the historical issues at the SABC, but from the Auditor General and your reporting, it appears that things are on a better path, although there is a long way to go, and that the committee needs to keep its eyes clearly focused on the SABC as well.
Inkumbi zamalungu enyunyana esathu zidele amakhaza beshubisa umkantsha zamashela eminyangweni wemfundo eyisekelo kanye nasemnyangweni wezemali beyokwethula uhlu lwezikhalo zabo. Phakathi kwezikhala banazo yincindezi othisha banayo ezikoleni, ingqalazinda ayikho ezingeni kanti ke nalezi izingane abayifundisayo zingondlebe kazizwa.
Unobhala jikelele wenyunyana yothisha isathu Dr. Umaluleka uthi ke bayakwazi abakufunayo phakathi kwezikhalo zabo ukuthi ke incane imali eholwa uthisha kanti nezimo abasebenza ngaphansi kwazo zibucayi.
We are very clear in the memorandum that our students are being killed in front of their students, that our teachers are tired of teaching 70 to 100 learners in the classroom, that our teachers are tired of being bullied in their schools.
Obezomukela lezi ikhale ivela kulenyunyana uthi ke uyethembisa ukuthi einsukwini engama-20 nomuvo uhulumeni uzobe sephendulile.
Comrades, I will make sure that the memoranda reaches the offices and you get the responses. From Treasury, I can put my head on the block. We will respond within 21 days, but we will also ensure that the DHEAD follow suit and respond.
Umengameli wemfelando wenye wenyunyana zezisebenzi uKhosathu Zingiswa Losi uthi ke angeke baze bahlale basonga izandla kulezi insuku ezingama-20 nomuvo bazolwa kuze kube sekugcineni ngoba lokho abakufunayo kumele bakuthole.
Asizuyeka siza ukuthi gqolo ukumane sifuna ukuba ngaba sihlale phansi kunye nabo xana sibala lamalanga aya ku21 kuba kaloku asizuphinda kwakhona silinde kufika usuku lwe21 siphinde kwakhona siqokelelo tishara sithi masiphindeni kwakhona sizeni apha.
Igama lami nguCalvin wakwaDludla endabeni ze-SABC ngibika ngisePitoli.
Umengameli weCAF uPatrice Motsepe uthi amazwe aseAfrika ayisishagalolunye azokwemukelwa ngezandla ezifudumele emqhudelwaneni wendebe yomhlaba ozobanjelwa eMelika, eMexico naseCanada ngonyaka ozayo. Yize kunokukhathazeka ngobudlelwane beMelika nalelizwekazi ngaphansi kobuholi bukaDonald Trump.
Njengoba bungebuhle ubudlelwano phakathi kweMelika namazwe aseAfrika, selokhu uDonald Trump wangena esikhundleni sobumengameli kunokukhathaza ngobudlelwano neMelika namazwe aseAfrika ukuya phambili. Lelizwekazi lizothumela amazwe ayisishagalolunye kulomqhudelwano. uPatrice Motsepe uthi umengameli weFIFA usebenza ngokuzikhandla ukuqinisekisa ukuthi indebe yomhlaba iba nokuthula.
There's a lot of good work that Gianni Infantino has been doing. I sometimes get exposed to what he's been doing, spending a lot of time in America.
Usenjalo Motsepe ugcizelela ukubaluleka ukuqinisekisa ukuthi izinkundla zemidlalo zinokuthula futhi ziphephile ngaphambi kwemidlalo yemilenze yesibili yemidlalo yeCAF kule mpela sonto.
There's a huge engagement that is currently underway between CAF
and also talking to other confederations to see what measures they've taken, because in different parts of the world there's been huge incidences.
ICAF iphinde yamemezela ubudlelwano phakathi kwayo ne-African Global Logistics kule minyaka emibili ezayo.
Mbukeli umhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu noThini Ntshiza.
Nginibingelela babukele emakhaya ngiphinde nginamukele kwisimo sezulu sanamhlanje kwisihlwa ake sibethe simi kanjani ngeze khona leza imvula ezinamandla ezithanda ukuthi nje iqinise enkabeni yethu masibheke nje ikakhulukazi ngempela phana kwisifundazwe iFree State nakhona kwisifundazwe iKwaZulu Natal ngaphinde futhi silindeleke leza imvula ke ezingatheni ikakhulukazi ngempela khona ke laphana ke eEastern Cape. Kanti kusasa ke sakhona ke leza imvula ezinamandla ezithanda ukuthi nje iqinise ikakhulukazi ngempela laphana kwisifundazwe eGauteng kuyana kanjalo KwaZulu Natal ngaphinde futhi silindeleke leza imvula ezinamandla nakhona ke laphana koGqeberha koMthatha. Kanti ke isixwayiso sethu ke sakusihlo siphuma laphana kwa-South African Weather Service simi kanje kukhona ke lokho akuduma ke obunobungozi obuthanda nje ukuqiniseka ikakhulukazi ngempela laphana ke enkabeni yezwe. Kanti ke singesixwayiso sethu ke sakusasa simi kanje sakhona ke leza imvula ezinamandla ezithanda ukuthi nje iqiniseke ikakhulukazi ngempela khona ke laphana kwisifundazwe iEastern Cape. Kanti ke singaphinde futhi kulindele kwakuduma obunobungozi obuthanda ukuthi nje iqiniseke nakhona ke laphana ke enkabeni yezwe. Kanti ke amazinga okushisa kusihlwa ame kanje liyabanda ke izulu ikakhulukazi ngempela masibheke laphana ke kuKapa lodumo limi nje ku12 kanti ke libande njalo ke nakhona laphana eUppington singalindela nje u10 eSoweto eGoli kwaNdonga ziyaduma limi nje ku12 kanti liyakuza ngempela ukuthi ngubongake ke laphana ke ko Ladysmith ngo12 qaqisa amazinga ke Maritzburg ngo13 libande njalo ke nakhona ke eThekwini ngo18 liyabanda ke naseGqeberha ngo16 kanti eGeorge singawulindela nje u11 kanti ke kusathathana ukuthi nje lifudumala eKapa lozumo ngo24 lifudumele nakhona ke eUppington ngo21 thanda ukuthi nje libande ke laphana ke eGoli ngo16 kanti ke Musina lifudumele ngo25 eEmelo liyabanda ngo14 eLadysmith u17 kanti eMgungundlovu koMbali u17 eRichards Bay singawulindela nje u21 kanti ke laphana ke eThekwini eClermont kwaMashu eMlazi ngoChesterville singawulindela nje u22 masibheke nje khona laphana ke eGqeberha limi nje izulu ku21. Ngisibeka lapho ke isimo sezulu sanamhlanje kwesihlwa mina ke ngintombi kaMadlamini ulangelihle ngoba libalele ngithi konke kufeziwe.
Mbukeli sizibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona ngolikaMageba kusasa bakhonoza kwethu nezindaba zolimi lwesiXhosa ngehora lokuqala emini nibe nje nobusuku obuhle nisale kahle.